In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. Zoho Books offers a streamlined way to handle billing for ongoing services, making it easier for both you and your clients to manage finances efficiently. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the Sales section within Zoho Books. Once you're there, locate and click on Quotes. This section houses all the quotes you have previously drafted, sent, or had accepted by your clients. It's the starting point for converting your work agreement into a financial transaction through an invoice. Next, you'll need to find a quote that has already been accepted by your client. This is critical because only accepted quotes can be turned into retainer invoices. Accepted quotes indicate that both parties have agreed on the terms, helping maintain clarity and ensuring that the retainer invoice will be generated accurately according to these terms. With the accepted quote in view, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and click the More button. This button functions like a gateway to additional actions that you can perform on the quote. It's your next step toward converting a simple document into a functional tool for financial management. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking More, you'll select Create Retainer Invoice. This option enables you to initiate the process of crafting an invoice that will integrate seamlessly into your financial bookkeeping. It's worth noting that retainer invoices help you maintain a steady cash flow, offering your clients the advantage of prepayment, which sometimes comes with its own set of discounts or benefits. Now comes the part where you fill in the details of these retainer invoices. It's essential to pay close attention to accuracy at this step. Take your time ensuring that all fields are correctly filled, including the invoice amount, due dates, and any specific terms or conditions you have agreed upon with your client. This practice not only clarifies expectations, but also reinforces professionalism and trust. Once every detail has been carefully entered and you've double-checked for accuracy, go ahead and save the invoice. By doing so, you've completed the process of transitioning from a quote to a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. This step secures the financial agreement in your records, and it can be easily accessed whenever needed for both your benefit and that of your client. And there you have it, a seamless way to create a retainer invoice using Zoho Books. It's a process designed to make your business transactions smoother and more reliable. Remember, leveraging such features not only enhances productivity, but also strengthens your relationship with clients through clear and consistent financial practices. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide simplifies your billing tasks in Zoho Books.